A lot of people seeking true love end up with lust. And a lot of people seeking happiness end up suffering. And a lot of people seeking freedom end up in the corporate trap as slaves. And if you understand the why and how of this matrix, how things work, you may end up on the right side, on the bright side, on the positive side of these dichotomies. Hey, my name is Dr. Maruti Sharma, and I've spent 25 years of my life on my mission to help you master and feel more happiness, feel more freedom, feel more freshness, and feel true love in this lifetime. If you're stuck in the dichotomy of work and vacation, that means you work all year long so that you can holiday for 6 weeks. You work for 5 days so that you can have 2 free days. And it all looks fancy and great on paper, but in reality, it's a trap. A little attention, and you can clearly see that these amazing people are stuck in the dichotomy of work and vacation. All they do is work. Even when they are on a vacation, they still worry, think, dream about work because deep down they know that soon the vacation will be over. The work is always on their mind, and their mind is always in the grind. Work and then vacation, and then work and then vacation again. It's an illusion. It actually means work and then work again, and then work again, and then work again. And it goes on and on until you can work no more. It's the same for people who believe in happiness and unhappiness. They deep down believe that life is sometimes you're happy and sometimes you're unhappy, and it's okay. And if you pay attention to the lives of such people, if they pay attention to their own lives, you'll be surprised to find that most of these people, most of the time, are unhappy. Even when they claim to be happy deep down, they have this fear that this happiness will pass and they will be unhappy again. And when they are unhappy, the hope of being happy sometime in future keeps them going. These people live their life from unhappiness to unhappiness to unhappiness to unhappiness. All they have is a consolation that one day they will feel happy, and one day the unhappiness that they are stuck in will pass. Hey, we can do better. We definitely deserve a lot better. And here is what we need to realize and understand, that if we see choices like work and vacation, happiness and unhappiness, love and lust, these are traps. This is an illusion. And if we see these choices, it means work only, unhappiness only, lust only. This means if you want your life to be full of love and full of happiness and full of freedom, your goals should be love only, happiness only, vacation only. And when this happens, you will end up with love, happiness, and freedom. And I know right now it may sound impossible to you, but let me tell you, this is how your life is naturally meant to be. Happiness, freedom, and love, these are the bare minimum. And if you're not feeling them, you're not even alive. So think it over and remember, no matter what, take it easy and feel happy.